Hello students, I hope you are fine today and I want to introduce you to the grammar topic, the causative form. It sounds difficult to comprehend, but in fact it's quite simple. You just need to learn when and how to use the causative form. So our objectives today are to answer the questions: what is the causative form, when do we use it, what is the form of the causative, and what are the tenses of this form, and we are going to have some practice exercises.
Let's make Jane and Susan. Jane painted her room yesterday and she did it herself. But Susan didn't do it herself. The painter did it for her, and we say that Susan had her room painted. In this sentence, we have the structure had her room painted, which is the causative form. Let's look at some other examples. The man is fixing his hair. That means that he is doing it himself. But if we say the man is having his hair fixed, that means that he isn't doing it himself. The stylist is doing it for him. In the second example, again, we have the structure is having his hair fixed, which is the causative form. So, when do we use the causative? We use the causative for activities we arrange for other people to do for us. For example, we have the plants watered by the father when they are away. In this sentence, we have the structure have the plants watered, which is the causative. The next situation when we use the causative is professional services offered to a customer. For example, they are having the car serviced by the mechanic. In this sentence, are having their car serviced is the causative form. And also we can use the causative to experience something, especially something unpleasant. For example, I got my bag stolen in the cafe. In this sentence, the causative is got my bag stolen. Let's look at the form. It is have or get plus object plus the past participle form. To represent all tenses, you have to conjugate the verbs have or get. Let's look at the examples. Present perfect. I have just had my hair cut. In this example, we have present perfect of the verbs have. The next example, future simple. I will get my phone repaired. In this sentence, we have future simple of the verb get, will get. Past simple, they had new furniture delivered. In this example, we have past simple tense of the verb have, had. Let's look at the tenses of the causative again. Present simple, she has their house cleaned. Present continuous, she is having the house cleaned. Past simple, she had the house cleaned. Past continuous, she was having the house cleaned. Future simple, she will have the house cleaned. Present perfect, she has had the house cleaned. The structure is going to, she is going to have the house cleaned. And with modal verbs we say she must have the house cleaned. How do we form the interrogative form? First comes auxiliary verb, then the subject, then the verb have or get, then the object, and the past participle form. Present simple. Does she have the house cleaned? Present continuous. Is she having the house cleaned? Past simple. Did she have the house cleaned? Past continuous. Was she having the house cleaned? Future simple. Will she have the house cleaned? Present perfect. Has she have the house cleaned? Going to. Is she going to have the house cleaned? And with modal verbs we ask, must she have the house cleaned? You can also use the causative in negatives. Present simple, she doesn't have the house cleaned. Present continuous, she isn't having the house cleaned. Past simple, she didn't have the house cleaned. Past continuous, she wasn't having the house cleaned. Future simple, she won't have the house cleaned. Present perfect, she hasn't had the house cleaned. Going to, she isn't going to have the house cleaned. And with modal verbs we say, she mustn't have the house cleaned.
Is there any difference between the verbs have and get? You can say get instead of have to say to get something done. For example, in the situation, her coat was dirty, you can say both. She had it cleaned or she got it cleaned. But there is a difference between these two verbs because have is more formal when get is more informal. For example, if you say, I think you should get your eyes tested, you use the verb get because you give advice to someone and it sounds more informal. And also you should remember, when you want to express some negative experiences or unwanted situation, it's better to use get instead of have. For example, hundreds of people got their homes destroyed by the tornado. Here we have an unwanted situation, that's why it's better to use the verb get. And in this sentence we have got, past simple of get, so it's better to use get instead of have.
Now, let's have some practice exercises because practice makes perfect. You are to look at the situation and to write the causative form in the appropriate tense form. Jill's having her lunch painted. Next situation. Please check your sentence. Brian had his hair cut yesterday. What is the next sentence? Kate is having her roof repaired now. Are you ready to check? Mary had her wedding dress made by her friend last month. The next example. And the sentence is: Linda had her photo taken on holiday last year. Write down the next sentence. Are you ready to check it? David had his car repaired a month ago. What comes next? Paul had his windows cleaned yesterday. And the last sentence is: Rose is going to have or is having her eyes tested next month. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the causative of have and get in English. As for your homework, you are to complete the sentences using the correct form of the causative. Please send your homework to your teacher. And our next lesson is on the 20th of April. It starts at 12 and finishes at 12:20. I'm meeting you on Saturday at 2 o'clock for our next extra class, which finishes at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. My Zoom ID is 616-600-9251. Thanks for watching this video lesson. Have a good day and goodbye.